Auto Guy. I am so excited to be building my first custom PC. Computers are ubiquitous nowadays. As a matter of fact, part of my videos are recorded on a laptop, aka a portable PC. But inside the unassuming case, what makes a computer compute? That is the burning question I'm trying to answer. According to Wikipedia, a computer is a machine that can be programmed to carry out sequences of arithmetic or logical operations automatically. Modern-day personal computers were first developed in the 1970s, enabled by the rapid applications of semiconductor-based integrated circuits. A lot of tinkers have since then become very successful entrepreneurs. Steve Jobs, Bill Gates, and Michael Dell, just to name a few. Their examples provide me with a strong motivation to discover what a computer is and how a computer works. And there's no better way to learn than to put together my first custom PC. So, where shall we start? What do I need to build a computer? In this first video on my journey into custom PC building, I will discuss 3 great online resources that have helped me tremendously. The first is microcenter.com. In case you didn't know, Micro Center actually has a physical store. Sadly, it is not anywhere close to where I live. Despite this, its website is very devoted to all PC builders. On the main page, there's a community tab in the header. Once clicked in, you can find lots of tutorials, discussion forums, and a custom PC builder. A custom PC builder offers a place to make the blueprint for your PC. Presented in an ordered list format, you can select your parts from the menu that pops up. The selections, however, are limited to Micro Center store capacity. The second is Newegg.com. Newegg is a pure-play online store. On the main webpage, click on PC Builder in the header. You have 3 options: an AI-powered PC builder, pre-made part lists, and manual component selection tiles. The AI version allows you to describe the requirement and it generates up to 3 part lists based on your description. The pre-made version allows you to select the budget and processor type. Then, it gives you the part list. The manual component selection tiles are very similar to the Micro Center part selection page. In addition to offering its own products, Newegg also hosts third-party direct sales. The last online resource is PCPartPicker.com. This is the place where I compiled my component list. On the main page, click on Start Your Build. You will be presented with a hardware choice list. The components are more comprehensive here because they are not restricted to any particular store. You can also browse, comment, and discuss other people's showcases to get additional inspiration. I especially like the PC Part Picker site because, upon entering your selections, it performs compatibility checks to ensure the selections are valid. It even provides connection instructions between different components and estimated power consumption. That's very helpful. A keen observation is that the component selection lists follow nearly identical orders at Micro Center and PC Part Picker. This is because it is a tried and true order to avoid mixing incompatible parts. A bare-bone PC build includes a central processing unit or CPU, CPU cooler, motherboard, dynamic random access memory or DRAM, non-volatile memory such as a SSD or hard drive, a power supply unit or PSU, PC case, and case fans. If gaming is your aspiration, you may need a dedicated graphics processing unit or GPU. In the following videos, I will discuss each of my component selections in detail. I hope you find this video useful in your endeavor into PC building. So, until next time, I wish you a happy and joyful life ahead.